Then to download the existing rates using the custom query is very simple. You will come to the tab here that say custom query. You can use the form, and then in my case it's asking me to log in again. Let me use the login. And then use the proper responsibility. In this case, I need to use a GL responsibility. And then from here will be the one that say download previous rates. And here you will have some parameters to complete from to currency start date, rate, and rate type. Then, for example, if I want to say download from currency equal, say CAD for Canadian dollars, and I will say that to currency is equal to USD, and then also I could include another information there. I could say, bring all the ones that say corporate. And then when I press download, the wizard will go to Oracle and look for rates that match that criteria and will print them on the tool. As just happened, you can see here that I got multiple rates. If I go here to then, you see here I have all the rates that match that criteria. Now, another way to download rates from Oracle will be to put the information on the application like that. And then instead of using the download form, you will just use the download from sheet. And then there you will use that query, the same query that we were calling before, download previous rates, press download, and then that will bring the information. Then if you have more than one value that you want to add there or that you need to query, it's the same scenario. You will put the information on the spreadsheet and then download from the sheet, and then that will bring the data. If you see here, I never specify corporate or not, then for that it's bringing me anything that matches those dates. And then because I didn't put that only bring me the corporate, also brought me the reporting rate type. Then at the end of the day, that is the only thing. Be sure that when you put information there, you have all the parameters that you need. Thank you.